We have taken note of the public statements made by former Ilocos Sur Governor Luis Chavit Singson yesterday, January 5. The Armed Forces of the Philippines maintains its unwavering adherence to the 1987 Constitution.
May mensahe ang Armed Forces of the Philippines at pinatulan na nga ang matandang hukluban na si Duterte crony Luis Chavit Singson na hindi naman yayaman ng ganyan kung hindi dahil sa gobyerno. Sa isang statement via the AFP spokesperson, sinabi ng sandatahang lakas na mahigpit nilang sinusunod ang konstitusyon,
specifically Article 2, Section 3, which explicitly declares civilian authority is at all times supreme over the military.
lalo na ang mandato na civilian authority is at all times supreme over the military.
The Armed Forces of the Philippines operates strictly within the chain of command that is anchored on this supremacy. We perform our duties under this civilian authority.
Sa kanyang emergency press conference, na hitik sa incitement to sedition, muling hinimok ng Mangkanor at alleged fidodido ng Ilocos Sur ang mga pulis at militar na suportahan ang kanilang grupo at nanawagan na pababain na si Pangulong Marcos.
Nakikiusap ako sa mga military police. May mga anak din kayo. Dapat, I would suggest na from now on, mag-usap-usap muna kayo to General Browner. Lahat ang general ng military, mag-usap-usap po kayo bago kayo patawag sa Malacanang. Mag-isip po kayo mabuti.
Dahil dito, sinabi ng AFP na kung may reklamo o kung may alam si Chavit tungkol sa katiwalian, mag-file na lang siya ng mga kaso laban kay PBBM.
While the Armed Forces of the Philippines have consistently supported calls for good governance and anti-corruption, addressing allegations regarding civilian governance, public finance, or economic policy fall exclusively under the jurisdiction of civilian courts and oversight bodies, not the military. This must be addressed through established legal processes.
Naglabas din ang AFP ng strong warning na may zero tolerance sila sa sinumang hindi susunod sa mga mandatong ito.
Within our own ranks, the Armed Forces of the Philippines maintains zero tolerance for misconduct. We do not shield offenders. Valid complaints against personnel are handled swiftly through internal mechanisms and proper courts.
Hindi lang yan, sinupalpal din ng AFP ang pagiging pro-China as licker ni Chavit at ng mga DDS.
Tell me, General, how can China be the problem when it is that China stealing billions from our national budget? The cancer is not in the West Philippine Sea.
At nanawagan sa publiko at sa hanay ng uniformed personnel na huwag magpabudol sa mga pro-China narratives ng mga kampo ni Digongyo na obvious na mga taksil at traidor sa bayan.
At a time when national unity is paramount to defend our sovereignty in the West Philippine Sea, we urge the public to be discerning. We must be vigilant against narratives that masquerade as patriotism, but in reality, align with the advanced interest of foreign entities seeking to encroach upon our territory. Ang panawagan po sa sandatahang lakas ng Pilipinas ay malinaw ang sagot. Sundin natin ang saligang batas.